Cracking WhatsApp defenses ethically. 10 tools to simulate threats and build unbreakable protections. Labs only, no real hacks. This video is for educational purposes only. There are no downloads, no tutorials, and absolutely no illegal use allowed. Only work in authorized labs or on bug bounty programs. Misuse is a crime. Stay ethical or, please exit now. WhatsApp is a MITM-based tool for ethically analyzing and dumping WhatsApp account data to assess session security in penetration testing scenarios. For ethical use, intercept test sessions in isolated networks, and audit encryption handshakes for compliance gaps. WhatsApp QR Grabber is an open-source script that simulates QR code phishing for WhatsApp web, and it's designed to test multi-device session hijacking vulnerabilities ethically. Use it to grab QR codes in simulations on dummy accounts and train on secure login verification protocols. Online Hacking's WA is a repository providing educational scripts and methods for ethical WhatsApp account penetration testing and OTP bypass demonstrations. For ethical use, demo OTP flows in virtual machines and highlight two-factor authentication strengthening in red team reports. So WA Crasher is basically a proof-of-concept tool designed to simulate WhatsApp crashes by sending specially crafted messages. It's mainly used in ethical testing, helping teams evaluate how resilient the app is against denial of service or DOS attacks. The idea is to craft these messages on test instances only, and then, check out the crash logs to figure out better DOS mitigation strategies. Next up, Shark Tool is an open-source utility that works with Termux, and it's built for security professionals. The main goal here is to ethically probe WhatsApp for things like misconfigurations and weak encryption points. The ethical approach is to probe configurations on emulated devices and then document any weak points you find so they can be addressed in future app updates. Finally, there's Venom Bot, which is a framework for automating WhatsApp interactions in a totally ethical way. It lets you simulate social engineering attacks and test how well response mechanisms work. The key is to automate these bot interactions ethically and use simulated phishing attempts to help refine user reporting tools and improve security overall. So here we have a simulator that demonstrates the flaws in the SS7 protocol, which can be used to intercept WhatsApp calls and messages, but only in controlled, ethical hacking environments. It's important to note that this kind of tool should only be used in air-gapped labs, strictly for educational purposes, to help people understand and improve carrier-level signaling protections. Alright, so let's talk about the WhatsApp PDF Exploit Tester. This is a tool designed for testing file-based exploits like PDFs in WhatsApp, and it's all about identifying backup data leakage risks in an ethical way. You should always use this tool ethically. Test your PDFs only on sandbox chats, and make sure to scan backups for any signs of sensitive data exposure. Now, moving on to the WhatsApp Media Payload Injector. This is basically an ethical payload injection script meant to crash and extract media, which really helps highlight vulnerabilities in how messages are handled. The ethical way to use it? Inject those payloads only in controlled media environments, and then analyze any handling flaws you find so you can recommend patches. Next up, we have the WhatsApp Ban Tool. It's a simulation utility for, ethically testing account banning triggers on WhatsApp. The goal here is to help improve abuse detection strategies. Always trigger bans on test accounts only, and use what you learn to optimize detection rules and reduce those annoying false positives. So to recap, you can simulate WhatsApp risks today ethically to help shield tomorrow's chats. But here's a final warning. Never search for, download, or test these tools without an air-gapped lab, and, of course, proper permission. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, comment stay ethical, and subscribe for more defense breakdowns.